looking gorgeous today. So I went on like a candy splurging shopping. It makes no sense, honestly. I can't even describe what I did. I got a lot of candy though, and I'm just gonna be reviewing like 2 things. I just felt like my cauldron candy bowl was kind of empty, but there's really no excuse for what I did. Firstly, I got this big old bag of Airheads. Then I got this big old bag of Hershey's. I love plain Hershey bars. It's like one of my favorite candies. It's not my favorite candy of all time, but that's like one of my favorite candy chocolate bars. And of course, I had to get the candy corn. Do you not like candy corn? I know a lot of people who don't like candy corn, and I'm gonna finish all this because I like candy corn. I look kind of orange. Do I look orange to you? I feel like we twinning right now. But the 2 candy that I never had before that I'm gonna be trying today is the Twix cookies and cream and the Kit Kat pumpkin pie. I'm just gonna start with the Kit Kat. You guys already know that me and pumpkin, like, we not the best of friends, but we kind of friends. We trying to be friends, so it looks pretty normal, you know, just orange or whatever. I don't hate that. It really does not taste that bad. Is there chocolate in here? Yeah, there's chocolate. I'm like pleasantly surprised. So it does taste like a slice of pumpkin pie. It tastes like my pumpkin bread that I made. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. And it's actually pretty good. Like, am I starting to like pumpkin? Oh my gosh. Maybe. I really like this. If you like pumpkin, then you will like this too. I swear, I just want to go to Japan and get all the flavored Kit Kats because I know they have so many flavors, like, bro. Next is the Twix cookies and cream. It looks pretty normal. I don't know. I kind of don't like it. That's kind of weird. I expected not to like the Kit Kat one, but I don't really like the Twix one. Y'all know I gotta try stuff twice. I'm not that good at testing foods and drinks. Yeah, I really do not like this. Like, ignore my teeth marks, but this is how it looks. I'm just getting a lot of the caramel or the caramel. It just overpowers everything. Yeah, I'm not getting strong, you know, cookies and cream flavor. Like, I expect to bite this and taste a little bit of caramel or caramel and like cookies and cream ice cream, like the Oreos and the milk. I mean, it's not bad. It tastes like a regular Twix, but I expected, you know, cookies and cream. I am so surprised that I like the Kit Kat one. Like, oh my gosh. I was thinking about trying more like Halloween themed candies, but all the Halloween candies are basically like, you know, the regular candy with just food coloring. Like the Reese's Frankenstein, I think that's what it's called. It's just a little green food coloring. You know, Boo Oreos is just orange food coloring, like something that's special. It just looks cool. Like, don't get me wrong, the Twix wasn't bad. It just, the flavor wasn't as hidden as the Kit Kat was. I think I'm starting to like conclude that I'm not gonna go trick-or-treating. Especially because like I just moved to New York. I don't know this hood like that. Like, there ain't no houses up and down the street. It's mostly apartments where I am. If I go back to Detroit, I might trick-or-treat. Or if my school has like an event or like they have like a parking lot trunk-or-treat type of thing, then I'll trick-or-treat. But most likely I'll be here watching anime, eating this candy by myself. But I still want to dress up. If you have any suggestions for Halloween costumes, leave a comment down below because I really want to dress up as something. I was thinking about a pirate with like a black mask. I'm gonna keep my mask. I was thinking about like Red Riding Hood with like a black mask or a red mask. I was also thinking about like Mortal Kombat because they have to wear masks as the characters. Like, I think it's Kitana and Melina. So I was thinking about dressing up as them, but I don't know. We still got some days, so what should I dress up as? I don't know. But yeah, y'all, let's end this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.